Welcome to an ordinary day in my life. Watch this vlog until the end if you don't believe a healthy lifestyle can be easy. By sharing my unpretentious healthy lifestyle, I'm not gonna convince you, but inspire you to live your best life. Good morning from my yoga mat. I just recorded the yoga flow for today. So yeah, and the dog is there sleeping, so it was an easy day to record. Of course, my day started earlier. I went to the gym, I had my workout there, I came back, I recorded the yoga flow. If you are new here, I post yoga flows every day, almost every day. I try every day. So if you subscribe to my channel, you are going to have a new yoga flow to follow every day. Today's Friday here. I feel tired because this is the end of my first week vlogging every day for this channel, and it was a long week. I would say not a long week, but I feel not that I feel tired, but I feel exhausted. It was fun for sure, but of course it's the first week, so I am actually figuring out how to do it, how to edit the videos. But when you get a process, when you find a process that you just follow, it gets easier, at least for me. I am a process girl. I love processes. I love methodologies. I have process. I love everything that is routine. It's time to make my coffee, to start my day, to start my Friday. I don't have any plans right now, so let's see what the day is gonna bring to us. My work started with editing the yoga flow. Yoga is not just a practice for the mat, but a discipline that extends into every aspect of our lives, including our work. While editing, I'm reminded of the flow's intentions to bring peace and strength to my day, and it re-energizes my commitment to this beautiful practice. After the yoga flow, I moved on to editing the weekly reset for our newsletter. This is where I get to share deeper insights and tips. Crafting content that might inspire a positive change in your lives is not just a job, it's a passion that fulfills me deeply. Then came a less glamorous but equally important part of my day: tidying the house, including the bathroom. It's a humble reminder that wellness isn't just about the things we enjoy, but also about taking care of our living spaces, creating an environment that supports our mental and physical health. As the day winds down, I indulge in some cozy gaming, a fun way to relax and unwind. Spending time with my dog, feeling the unconditional love and joy pets bring, is the perfect end to my afternoon. It's crucial to find those activities that help us unwind and bring a sense of joy and calm, especially after a productive week. And what's better to accompany a chilly afternoon than a hot cup of tea? It's a simple pleasure that brings warmth and comfort, a perfect way to wind down. It's Friday, it's movie night, and of course we want to eat something fun, I would say. You know what I mean by fun food, right? Actually, the rule doesn't change that much from what I always say. Try to compromise, try to find the midway between your cravings and the healthiest version possible. So, today we are going to have chicken wings and nachos with guacamole. But I'm gonna follow my first rule that I'm gonna try to make everything I can at home, so I will not rely on processed food, and I can control the ingredients, and I can even change some of the ingredients. You can choose so many things. In our case, what we do, first of all, I buy organic chicken. I always buy organic chicken wings. We always have here at home for nights like this one. The second rule, I do it in the air fryer. Actually, I never ever deep fry anything at home. That's a rule in our household. And it's a good rule. You know why? Because if I don't do it at home, when I go to a restaurant and let's say there is fish and chips or something that is deep fried, I can have it because I don't eat that often. So that's another tip. Try to eat as healthiest as possible at home. So when you go out, you don't have to feel so guilty about eating what they serve in restaurants. So I'm gonna do it in the air fryer. The third rule of the chicken wings is don't bread it. I know, but trust me, if you do it in the air fryer, it's gonna be crunchy, it's gonna be crispy, it's gonna be delicious. You don't need the bread. Actually, you can do things that are even more delicious. Try new seasonings, new herbs, and you are going to be surprised because it makes it so rich in flavor, it makes so delicious that, to be honest, we don't miss the breading thing. So try that. Organic chicken, don't deep fry and don't bread it. And yes, I'm gonna prepare that. About the guacamole, I'm gonna make the guaca at home. I'm gonna use avocado, tomatoes, shallots, what more? A little of pepper, salt, not much. So avocados are very rich in fat, but it's a healthy fat. Of course, we cannot eat avocados every day, all day long, but it's a good fat that we actually have to eat them. It's good for us. We need that fat. And about the nachos, they are processed, but we buy organic, we buy it from a good source that we know at least is made with good ingredients. I got a tortilla maker a few months ago. I couldn't figure out how to use it yet. I have to test it again, but as soon as I can master it, I'm gonna make the tortillas at home. Therefore, I'll be able to make the nachos as well. But for today, that's it. Let's do it. So come with me. As this day comes to a close, I want to remind you of the importance of finding balance in our everyday lives. Even when we are tired, we can make choices that contribute positively to our well-being. Embrace both the tasks you love and those you don't, with equal grace. And remember, every step, big or small, leads to a healthier, more balanced you. Stay positive, embrace each moment, and remember, you are doing wonderfully on your journey to wellness. I hope to see you here tomorrow. Until there, Namaste.